Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can use mouse gestures in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is launch the Opera browser and enable the mouse gestures. First, to do that, navigate to the browser settings through that Opera icon in the top left, navigate to settings here. And here in your browser settings, guys, you may use the search bar at the top, type in mouse or mouse gestures, and you will see the highlighted setting here, enable mouse gestures. So make sure that you enable it. And once it has been switched on, let me show you how you can use it in practice. So let me navigate to that example tab here. What you want to do is right click anywhere you like here on your page, and then move, for example, to the left and release your right mouse in this case here, and that is going to perform the go back to the previous website action, which you usually do or perform by clicking into that button in the top left. And you can do the same with the mouse gesture to the right to forward to the next website right here in the tab without clicking into that button. The mouse gesture for that is right click, move to the right, release your right mouse, and that is going to perform the action. Now there are more of these actions and commands. I don't have all of them memorized, of course, so if you'd like to find out which mouse gestures are available, you may click into this button here, learn more, and that is going to show you, for example, some of these mouse gestures here you may use for reloading the page or a tab and so on and so forth. And yeah, that's how it works, guys. So right click, move the mouse, release your right mouse, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.